2021 Kia Niro, I don't know, but we're doing the oil light reset. We're going to use this menu button that's like a paper button, the scroll, and then this OK button. Go ahead and get closer to the menu, but first we're going to push this menu button right here, and then we're going to push it until you go over to the gear, and then we're going to use the scroll to go down to service interval right here. Push OK. Now right here you're going to push and hold OK, and then it'll pop up and say you want to reset distance time. Hit OK again. I'm gonna have to hold it. Let's push it kind of hard. There we go. So just push it hard or hold it for a couple seconds, but that's how you do it. 2021 Kia Niro.